Good morning, everybody. We are back to our usual uploads 3 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday uploads. But as usual, you know I upload pretty late. So yeah, we are back to our usual uploads. So welcome for those that are new here. It's your boy Teasy, and all I do is vlog my life, our daily life, going to the hospital and all that, because hey, I live near the hospital, have to be close to the hospital. So yeah, it's my health, man. It's no good. But anyways, about that. Man, weekend was alright. But Saturday was good. And yeah, let's see how today goes. Let's hope today goes good. Wake up, wake up, wake up. It's the first of the month. Get up, get up, get up. It's the first of the month. Please don't claim me, copyright me, please. It's the first of the month, man. Taking our meds. Let's do this. We are back to our couch. Yes. We are out of the room. We are in the lounge room. Back to our spot. Feeling good, feeling happy. And now, I just want to lie down. Comfortable. People, we just finished having our breakfast. We have Weet-Bix as usual. So yeah. And also, we have pizza. Well, pizza from Aldi. Shout out to Aldi's, man. The pizza's there is beautiful. But anyways, we have pizza. Pizza. Love pineapples on. A pineapple lover. Hey, what's up? Like the video. Subscribe to your boy. So yeah, let's get out of this room, man. Let's get out of here, man. You know what I'm saying, man? We are full stacked out here. We got the tripod out here. The beautiful view. The beautiful me. Bruv. It's nice and cool out here. Nice and windy. I wish I had my sunglasses, but I don't. So yeah. Everybody, I hope you're outside enjoying the cold weather, the hot weather, whatever weather you have, wherever you're from. Comment down below where you're from. Melbourne represent. Have a look. That's for you. Oh, look at that. There goes my mother. Oh, the chickens. We need to find them. Let's go find some chickens, man. So we could eat them. Chicken for dinner. What do you think? Marinated chicken, fried chicken. Ooh, Korean fried chicken, baby. Let's go. Oh, look, people. It's my cat, Sneaky. Hello, Sneaky. Hello, Sneaky. King of the building, king of the property.
King of cleaning himself.
Woo! What's up?
Put some muscle into it. Hey guys.
Oh, Sneaky's cleaning himself.
Go sit down. The bungalow steps are right there.
Place is empty, people. There's no chickens in there.
Put some gloves on. Go.
Did she laugh? That's great. Oh, you great. You used to have jewelry. That's not right. Your mom. It is raining, people. Back inside now. Let's go. There's my cousin. Oh my gosh! People, she's lifting weights. Look at them bricks.
Wait.
Look, family. Them bricks. Very strong. Do some curls. Okay, never mind. How was your Father's Sunday, people? Comment below. That's all I'm asking. We're going back to the city, people. Let this long drive begin. We are off home, ready for the long drive, and I can't wait. But first, we gotta eat. Peoples, we are at Nanagoon. That is it. See yous when I get home. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! 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 Happy birthday to you.
I don't like burrowing on
Okay.
my face.
How old is you?
Yeah, 20.
Not 22. Oh wait, she is. Wait.
I got it.
Oh, you're right. Damn. Because we had the 21st. I've been thinking, yep, she's 21. Sorry, people. She's 22. Yes. But you guys celebrated the 21st. That was last year. And a long story to it. She's 22. So yes. Happy birthday to my sister. And I hope she watches this vlog. People, we are back home. Back home in the city. Catch you in the morning. Good morning, everybody. Dry as wheat bix. We have no milk. Finito, people. We are finished. Everybody, we have a busy day today. Later, we are going out for dinner for my sister's 22nd birthday, which is today. So happy birthday to my little sister for 2022. Yes, I uploaded a video of her 21st. She turned 21 last year, but the party was made for this year with my other cousins because her and my cousin went on their mission for our church for like 18 months. So yeah, we held on to the 21st and waited till they came back and then celebrated, which was on the weekend. So yeah, I hope that explains a lot. If I didn't explain well, comment down below please. A brother would like to know. Good morning, Cupid. Good afternoon. Pork buns, people. Pork and beef. Let's eat, enjoy. There's Coca-Cola. There's a box. Dang, what a life. Let's have a feed. And happy birthday to my sister once again. Comment down below. Pork bun. Beef bun.
We'll stand over there.
People, we are in the car. We are ready to go. We're going out for dinner.
Wait, we didn't.
Let's go. We're walking to the restaurant. We are going to Seoul Gardens, Korean restaurant. So yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Which one you choosing, people? Queue it up, queue it up. We are walking. Let's go, baby. Oh my gosh. This way. Which way? We're still looking for the place, people. We are still looking. people, third take, we are back home. I recommend going to Seoul Gardens for a good feed with your family. Recommend that for y'all to go. And yeah, beautiful food. Had had all the protein that you need. The chicken, steak, lamb, a bit of vegetables if you want to add that to it. But we just ate protein. So yeah, back home. Time to go back to bed, lie down and rest. So catch you in a bit. Yeah. Oh, how you like the hair?